Spirit gave me a message to share with the collective. The basis of this message comes from Jupiter and Uranus being in Taurus. The constellation of Taurus deals with possessions and money. Ever since Uranus has entered into Taurus, we have been dealing with a new financial system called cryptocurrency. Comment crypto if you would like a video about what crypto is. But anyways, if you look, you will see that this is one of the greatest transfers of wealth that the world has ever seen. And I know you're trying to figure out how can you get in where you fit in. This shift causes uncertainty and it creates two emotions Spirit showed me, and that is faith and fear. When we have fear, that means we are ignorant because we don't know and we refuse to know. So this leads to depression and repression. However, when we have faith, it's because we've done our work, we've done our due diligence, and we can make an informed decision. When we talk about crypto or financial literacy, we are not talking about the lotto. We are talking about learning valuable information so we can make an informed decision to change our life for the better.